Hi everyone. So here's another fantastic piece of history from late 80s to early 90s. This is Panasonic F51. This radio actually from one of our subscribers. It was broken, we fixed it and we did the service for it. So yep, in a minute I will show you what we did in the back for this radio. So the connector, we made the standard ISO, so you can simply plug and play and don't need to mess with the cables because everything was cutted. And also client requested to since he doesn't have the original amplifier, but he still wants to use the aftermarket one, so we made the adapter. Okay, so simply plug in the original connector and you have standard RCA cables. And let's test it out. So radio works perfect. Let's try the cassette. Okay, let's go forward. Now backwards. Yep, now reverse mode. Works just fine. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are perfect now. Really cool radio. Okay, so client didn't want the Bluetooth, so there's nothing to show about that. And that's it, I think. Thumbs up.